traders from around the world, what's going on? It's me, Jeremy Alexander Newsome with reallifetrading.com. Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Markets today moving higher. SPY, nice little cute bullish candle. Pretty happy about that. Again, this particular blue line, just simply saying if we close above here, we're going to keep going. Is the only thing. The trend's going to continue. That's not necessarily saying get in bullish on that day. Just me saying if we close above here, I'll probably look for something like this, but I will anticipate in the overall trend to just continue to grind higher. Here's the Qs and the Qs. I know we got 11 minutes until the market closed, but again, same thing. If we close above 155.72, this trend's just going to keep on continuing. I'll probably have an entry later today for a pullback to about 155.50 or something tomorrow. And let's see if the Qs can continue higher, but overall, nice little bullish trend there on the Qs. And the overall broader markets, IWM, you know, down a little bit, doing its thing, and then the Dow Jones just barely creeping higher. So overall, things look pretty strong. Didn't have tons of requests for today, but the ones I do have, let's get those crushed out. Mark requested Mark, M-A-R-K, and he's already in this one, so Remark Holdings. Congrats, buddy, for snagging this trade, either you or your brother or both of you. Again, not in this trade personally, but this is just very nice, bullish volume, good trends, hashtag buy the salsa. That was the pullback right into the 20. This was the pullback into the 10, which made a good 2-point move right there. And then that's the pullback into the 20. Look at that volume. So the volume just totally tapered off. M-A-R-K, nice little bullish trend. Feel free to put on your list because I like that volume a lot, and you know, if it starts making some higher highs, which is working on doing right now, just look to buy some dips. So Remark Holdings, that's what I got. ARKK. This is an interesting ETF if anybody wants to kind of pour into this one a little bit. Most of the day on Saturday, I spent doing a lot of research on cryptocurrencies and chatting with some buddies about it, making some money. But ARKK, ARK Innovation, this is an interesting ETF. I think the yields, not the yield, I'm sorry, the expense ratio is like 0.85%, so not too bad. But it has a lot of Bitcoin, I shouldn't say a lot, but some Bitcoin exposure. Also has Tesla, has a few other really cool holdings. So you're welcome to just kind of Google ARK Innovation Top 10 Holdings and kind of check it out. But it does have some Bitcoin exposure as an ETF. So if you want to get in that space with an ETF, this is at least another one of the ETFs you can have on your list. Seattle Genetics. I lost small on this one today. Very nice, bearish gap and go. Here's the 5-minute, and I could have won in this trade. This is one of those really difficult situations of when do I take profit type of plays. And here's the 5-minute chart. Nice lower shadow. It took 15 minutes to break down. And once it broke down, this little lower shadow, I got in here with like a stop limit entry with a stop above here. That was the play. And very nice, pretty easy overall play. Nice little breakdown. And then when it broke down, I moved the stop to there. And then I went on about my business and it trailed me out, or stopped me out for about 0.29 R loss. So, a little small loss on Seattle Genetics. I was going to, attempted to play it bullish here by here early in the afternoon, and then we just got skipped over. So as the stock was right there, just canceled the order, but it never filled. Canceled the order, you know, c'est la vie, I guess, overall with Seattle Genetics. So down small on the day, but as I mentioned on Friday, closed a lot of my bullish swing trade positions. The ones we're in right now, a lot of traders enjoying Snapchat. The good news is, if you follow us on the Real Life Stock Review, you are probably in on this trade because we talked about this one ever since this bullish gap back on the 5th of December. Talked about it in detail those 2 or 3 days while it was just chopping around here. And a lot of traders who join me in the afternoon swing trading floor are also in on this one, as it is an official swing trade and making money. HDS, also in on HDS. Doesn't look that great today. A little bit of a upper shadow, a little bit of a bearish candle. Here's the hourly chart. And we'll see if the 50 EMA on the hourly provides any support around 38.63. And then here's the non-extended hours, and the 50 EMA is at 38.39. So we'll see if HDS pulls back, dips, and I get a chance to increase that stop. But still, even if I'm wrong on this swing trade, I'll keep an eye on it for a later move. Here's some other stocks. OSTK, overstock, beautiful bullish gap, folks. Phenomenal, incredible, incredulously delicious. Keep your eyes on that guy. And we'll probably review it later, Wednesday or Friday or sometime at some point in the future. But overstock.com, very nice gap. I think she's going to go higher. Speaking of going higher, Shake Shack, what a tremendous breakout of this channel pattern. And Shake Shack, this is a channel pattern that truly a one-legged flamingo could have played. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous channel. Been down here, chopping around here for a bit, by the way. And then almost right at 2 full years. And I have posted plenty of charts on TradingView regarding Shake Shack and regarding that particular channel. So I'm just going to get it pulled up. The most recent one was back here in August, just months ago. Channel on Shack, question mark. And then I said, I don't think we've ever encountered a pattern like this one before. Winky face. That was internet sarcasm. Mentioned channel location on Shake Shack. This is a buy low, sell high opportunity. One could do many things down here as long as you plan on approaching bullish and mitigate your risk. December calls look good. Some shares with some protective puts if it makes a new all-time low, which it did. And anyway, there's the bounce. So fantastic analysis. That is a crushingly good trade on Shake Shack. And since it has broken out of this channel and what appears to be a very obvious wave count of some kind, look for some other dip buying opportunity on Shake Shack in the future, and look to play it long. Last but not least is Advanced Auto Parts, ticker symbol AAP. Here's the daily chart. Keeping a soft little eye on this one on Advanced Auto Parts. I just kind of like these 4-day candle pattern for some reason. Here's the long-term moving averages, and we got a really good retest gap. So white candle gapped up. Here's the retest. Beautiful consolidation right here. The last time I looked at it was right there on that candle, expecting the pop the very next day. And the afternoon swing trading room, that is indeed what happened. So it broke out, retesting again, old resistance, new support. So if it starts making higher highs or higher lows, the next few days, it's at least one for you to keep your eyes on, Advanced Auto Parts. Yeah, of course, cryptocurrencies going bananas. A lot of people making insane amounts of money. Just fun overall. Wonderfully incredible things happening in the market. My friends, I'm pleased and privileged to have you as a part of it. Have a fantastic rest of your Monday. I'll see you Wednesday, next free real life stock review. Make sure to sign up for the back trading webinar. You should have received an email from me on Sunday, and it is an entirely free experience. Be there or be a triangle. I'll see you guys later, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.